Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to WordPress. Alright, so first up, under your WordPress account, go to the left panel and click on plugins. Now just go out and find LiveChat. Okay, hit on enter, and as you can see here, you have two options: LiveChat plugin for WordPress websites and the WooCommerce one. So just basically select one. So for this example, we're just going to be using the best LiveChat and help desk plugin. Okay, now in here, just click on activate and make sure that you have the upgraded version of WordPress so that you'll be able to use it. Okay, or download the plugin if you have a WordPress self-hosted site. Click on the download button right here. Now, once you have downloaded it, you'll be able to see that in here. So just click on LiveChat, click on it, and in the next page, it will just ask you to log in with your LiveChat account. Just log in, and once done, you're good to go. Now, after that, you can go ahead over to your LiveChat account. Okay, for example, you're under home, just click on this gear icon, and under channels, click on install LiveChat. You have two options. Okay, one, you can copy the code and paste it under the body section, or connect WordPress right here. Click on connect like so, and just hit on download. Okay, you have the installation instructions right here for the manual installation, as we already tackled this one earlier. So for example, let's copy the code in here. Now what we'll do, as it says, copy and paste this code before the body, okay, with closing, tag on every page of your website. Again, on every page of your website. Installation guide right here. If you want, you could go ahead and watch this video, okay? If not, just go ahead over to WordPress tools right here under theme file editor, okay? Click on it and make sure that you have the, again, upgraded plan, and just paste it as it says earlier to the ending of the body tag. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.